back to more rural stuff. Got some proper rural stuff for you today. I'm out at Waldo Williams stone in Mynachlog, Pembrokeshire. Going to be doing a bit of drone testing today. And some bit new to drone flying. I've had a bit of practice at home though. This is the stone that commemorates Waldo Williams, who was a local poet. There's a bit of the info on there. If you want to do a freeze frame. Right, let's get the drone up. And luckily, so far, I've got the place to myself. The only thing blotting the view is that white car that someone's left there. Going up in the air today with the DJI Mini 2. I thought the sun was glaring it a bit more than it was. As I turn towards the sun, it's causing a slight bit of condensation on the lens on one side. It's about 5 degrees, so it's quite, and it's very cold wind, but it's causing the camera to fog up slightly. So I'm still a bit clunky on the controls. Could do with it being a bit smoother, but I'm getting there slowly. It's quite windy up here anyway, because we're up at 210 metres above sea level here. So it is a bit windy up in the mountains. Okay, I've landed safely. So that was a bit of a practice fly for me again. Out with the DJI Mini 2 at Carreg Waldo. And I'm quite lucky, I've got quite a few spots like this in the area where I can go and test the drone and see what perspective I can get from the air. And thanks for watching more rural stuff. See you in the next one.